Alkaline. Alkaline supposed to perform sometime in a March, 2026. From last year, CJ Milan put out say, yo, alright, shall work with Alkaline. So them ticket they not done yet. Me not hear nothing else about it.
A few moments later.
The Barclays Center March 21st, 2026, and your girl did not buy any tickets yet. And this is the thing. I've been watching the tickets since pre-sale. The tickets that I usually get, like in section 7 in the first few rows or section 25 in the first few rows, they were over $500. Now they dropped down to about $480. I will not be purchasing tickets until we get closer to the date.
From last year, CJ Milan advertised Alkaline in a Barclays Center. March. What's a March? I think I'm March 2026. I think I'm March 21st. If I not lie. If I don't remember. I'm not hear about them ticket they sell off yet. Eh? If Vibes Cartel put out a show right now and say tickets will be on sale tonight, them they done, Them they done.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Just for the simple fact that last year, if y'all don't remember, Vibes Cartel was at the Barclays Center for his third time Labor Day weekend, and I paid over $1,000 for that ticket. And then the day before the concert, the tickets dropped down to like $250. So I'm...
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
You don't know, Yo, Alkaline Barclays. You know what I got? Turn up March 21st. You know what things set. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man. It a go loud. But look, you know everything what Alkaline do, them always try to compare with Vice Cartel. Seeing from Alkaline boss in the game, Vice Cartel is Vice Cartel. And sometimes you wonder, you understand? Because look, Alkaline show forward up in the next 2 months. Seeing? And remember, that's what I'm telling you, them money them not promote them say them rate them artists, Seeing? But me never see them promote them artists music like that. You understand? But look, them pay whatever Alkaline do serious attention. But people want to listen, cause he might flap himself, Want to listen what he must say. You see me?
So chat. Alkaline now perform sometime in a March. Eh? Alkaline supposed to perform sometime in a March, 2026. From last year, CJ Milan put out say, yo, alright, shall work with Alkaline. So them ticket they not done yet. Me not hear nothing else about it. Them ticket they not sell off yet. Bumper plate. You see, that's why me I try to tell you, dog. You see, Vibes Cartel, there's only one Vibes Cartel in a dancer. It no matter how busy people try to run the comparison between a Gaza fan and a Vendetta fan, and people always say Alkaline have the second largest fan base in a dancer. Every time me and my friend have the conversation there, me always say a lie. Listen, me not busy about no. But me always tell my brethren them say, yo, I lie that. So my brethren them would always just say, yo, so who have the second biggest fan base from Gaza? Again, I always tell people say Popcaan have the second biggest fan base, different from Gaza. Yes.
Brother, so I'm sick. I'm sick in an head, How Popcaan if you have the second biggest fan base, different from the Gaza when Gaza is him fan base, bro. I don't understand this, brother. The man fought from the Gaza, bro. You understand? Gaza been supporting him, fam. What you talk about? How people know Popcaan? No from around Cartel. No Cartel fan from around them time, brother. What you talk about? How Popcaan fan feel bigger than Alkaline fan when at the Gaza been a rep Popcaan. So how it feel big? You understand? Now say Popcaan not a fan, but how it feel big? Anybody can tell in a dancehall right now. The two biggest fan base, brother, are Vendetta and Gaza. Those are the only two fan base that people talk about, bro. Nobody not really talk about Unruly like that because Unruly are forward from the Gaza thing, fam. So, me don't know what you talk about, brother. You see it? I see what you try to, but what you say now make no sense. Because more while no fall upon the media and say something, dog. You make yourself look like fool, dog. Me I tell you that. Because how you feel say Popcaan having fans different from Gaza, brother, The whole Gaza, man, the largest capacity of fans are from the Gaza, bro. Yeah, him have theme fans, him, yes. But at the Gaza thing, we know Popcaan, but I saw people him know about Popcaan. So I don't know what you try to say, fam.
Then Alkaline. I always tell people this, you know, and people never think for believe me. Yo, Popcaan fan base just more quiet. Yeah.
Popcaan fan base more just quiet. Me not understand that. Yo, that one you're sick in the head, you know. So man say Popcaan fans just more quiet. Brother, maybe I understand what you mean Popcaan fans quiet, yes? Because most of Popcaan fans are Gaza fans. So them not go to cartel they road now, them not go to real film. So him not gonna body. So that means say that gonna be the quietness around film thing. You understand? You notice the 3 artists them we really call a dancer right now. A Massacre, Alkaline and Cartel. We not too hear about Popcaan, brother. You understand? We not hear about no Unruly fan base. We not hear about that. We hear about Vendetta, we hear about Gaza, we hear about the Crux. We not too hear much about no Unruly, dog. You understand? We don't know where that the fan base are fought from the Gaza thing. The Gaza people them can tell you that. You understand? So me don't know what you talk about. Unruly now no fan base we big like Alkaline, bro. You see me? It's like, yeah, Popcaan a more global artist than Alkaline, yes. You see me? Cause you don't know him get him look a collab them and him look a features them and you know? Out there and him sign with Drake and OVO and them something they push him out there. You understand? But fan, loyal fan and fan equity, Alkaline have that over Popcaan, brother. Not because him is a big artist means say him have a large fan base, brother. Cause at the end of the day I see him from the Gaza thing. You see me?
Popcaan fan base is just more, a little bit more quiet, you know? But serious, let's believe me when I tell you. When Popcaan keep his show, we wanna see. When Popcaan keep his show and Alkaline keep his show, who for crowd more larger? When Popcaan keep his show and Alkaline keep his show, whose show is more larger by capacity? Tell the truth, don't tell a lie. Popcaan, right? Okay.
So people, alright, so that show was in 2023, I think. The last Popcaan show, Unruly Fest, right? You don't know St. Thomas. And that time latest Unruly show in a Jamaica. See? And after this, me I go play Alkaline latest show in a Jamaica. I want to look on the energy and the crowd reaction and everything and look on the magnitude, right? So this a Popcaan. See him there way up there, so up in the center, right? In the middle of the screen. See him? This is on him end time stage. See him? Just look. So look here now, look on the crowd, you know, people. Look on the crowd, the lights, everything. See?
A few moments later.
People, so not just this Popcaan show, right? This is Alkaline show in a Chilani, the last show. Right? Just look on this, cause you see them man, yeah? Not because Popcaan more global, he must say, yo, bigger show and all them things. Bro, sometimes we not understand how to get trick. Pre these people. Want to understand, you know, bro. Want to really understand, brother. Stop follow some little talking, bro. More than make some talk and know the reality. You understand? So people don't see this show them and the entrance of the artist, them, brother. When we are talking about fan base, you see energy when Alkaline walk out? When you see the energy? Bro, it's like, yo, it's alright time with the talk when you don't even know. So people, this is what I say.
And fan base just not talk too much. You know what I said? Yeah. They not talk too much, but they are there. They are there. Trust me.
Man, say for Popcaan fan base just there, they not talk too much. What kind of fan base that? Eh? Me not even see too much people in a Unruly thing a defend Unruly, bro. Stop it, bro. The same Unruly fans, them a Gaza fan them, brother. Some don't know what you try to talk about, bro. Popcaan a big artist and him not even, the man him not even involve him in a certain things, fam. Yo, Jano youth.
But the topic is about Alkaline. From last year, CJ Milan advertised Alkaline in a Barclays Center. March. What's a March? I think a March 2026. I think a March 21st, if I not lie. If I don't remember. I'm not hear about them ticket they sell off yet. Eh? If Vibes Cartel put out a show right now and say tickets will be on sale tonight, then they done, you know? Then they done. Done. Internet crash. Nobody not crash na internet for Alkaline, dog. No, me not see nobody a crash na internet for Alkaline. None at all. No. Yeah.
You know what the funniest thing? I don't know how to do it, you know. I keep on and compare Alkaline with Alkaline I do and with Cartel I do, brother. When Cartel did their prison lockup and never perform at these places. You understand? Me don't know how to do it, bro. It shows the Alkaline thing on a different level, youth. Me I tell you, because Alkaline can't do nothing without you compare with Cartel. You understand? It shows you the youth are do great in a dancehall. Me I tell you.
A one man around the thing, you know? A one man around the thing. Yeah? A one man around the space, man. And people say I'm old, you know? People say I'm old. People say I'm brain slow, you know? People say I'm not the man no more. But yet still, he must sell a ticket them, you know? And who is that? One teacher? One Vibes Cartel? One Adija Palmer? One word boss. yo, blood clean. Yo, dancehall, hey. Me I tell you, say dancehall rough. And the strongest them have to survive in this blood clean and dancehall. Rough sports bridging. Serious. Because Alkaline ticket not done it, dog. Alkaline ticket not sell off all. No. And from last year, CJ Milan put out say, yo, Alkaline in Barclays Center on the 21st of March 2026. And what Alkaline ticket them? Alkaline ticket them good I go for some single digits, you know? Yeah. Alkaline ticket good, cheapest ticket good I go for some single digits. And I know the dog can't sell off.
So look at now, people. Him say Alkaline ticket I go single digit. See? Cause he might get a radam now, you know. Because, you see, but don't even like do this. Because let me tell you, Cartel do him thing in the game and him just never go certain places because you know, visa and you know him get lock up and all of them like a thing there, right? But them not, you see, because the agenda there, yo, ticket. But when the people them will attend the show, I express and I tell you what go on. So look here now, we have a girl tell you what happened. But the third time when him going at Barclays, right? You know, the two first show them sell out because I'm first performance that in the US after 20 years, right? The two first show, Barclays back to back, after 20 years, yeah. But the third show now, in a Barclays, seeing, that was the show before when Alkaline did that perform with Bounty them and whatever. But listen what the girl I say, because he might talk about prices and everything now. Listen, people.
Later.
So the simple fact that last year, if y'all don't remember, Vibes Cartel was at the Barclays Center for his third time Labor Day weekend, and I paid over $1,000 for that ticket. And then the day before the concert, the tickets dropped down to like $250. So wait, fun.
So, it's what me talk about, brother. You see more while not talk and no reality, you know. She just say a while ago, say, she buy a ticket last year. Seeing, because she got Alkaline show, you know. She buy a ticket last year. Because them not realize, brother, the higher demand, the higher the price of the ticket. We don't realize, bro. So she said she buy a ticket for $1,000 US. Seeing? Because what she has said now, she have to wait till the last minute to get the ticket cheap. So, you see that huge decrease of the ticket? It started from when she buy it for $1,000 and when the day before, the ticket dropped to $250 US. So basically, $750 trim off. And then every day them get up about ticket now, way. You so quick. You so low it dropped to the day before the show. Brother, I don't understand, you know, bro. More while you not talk, you know. You saw me I try to say, but why? A lot of things, me know all of them little things, yeah. But it's just a show business. You understand? When him found out from prison, seeing him demanded high, so ticket price are gonna go up. But when it continue now, certain things are gonna change. You understand? Because people see him already. You see me I try to say it dropped from $1,000 to $250 US the day before. So more while we not talk, me I say, brother, people are gonna wait till near close to the show, bro. You understand? Because that's how no ticket thing go. You see me, people want catch when it may be more like cheap, and them don't want catch a early bird or all of these something. You see what I try to say? So more while in a sense, dog. Anybody would have do that, say, yo, if that I go drop little. Anyway, you take it, bro. You see who want catch it first? Because remember, you know, all the show things stay, you know. Seeing people? Remember, say people want catch certain seats. So them are go buy the ticket early to catch that seat there before somebody come buy it before them. Some people want their front and some people want their right, so they want a specific seat. So them say, yo, man, I get this before somebody buy it. You understand? And then down in the last now, once you say you go support the artist, you go wait for, you know, ticket and all of them look at something there. The cheaper ticket and thing. You see me? So more while, brother, you come like, una watch and know, say, bro, sooner, brother, ticket I go just go down. Nothing wrong with that, dog. I tell you that, nothing wrong with that, bro. I saw the thing set. The higher demand, the higher the ticket price. You see me? After a while, the ticket price will go drop because people are see already. You see me? Them are constantly see already. So the rush and the, you know? I saw you think it's just a show business. So when you forward out, dog, I talk about Alka this and Alka that. The worst thing is that, you know, remember, say, Alkaline is the only young generation out of the young generation doing this. Who else is doing this? Keeping their own show in a Barclays. You understand? New Rules / Reggae Fest. But it's still New Rules brand apartheid same way. Which one of them young youth here I do this? I them think they're not for free, bro. Cause one of them look at Dulul and realize, brother, one of them yip up and chat up on the mouth and say, bro, una get left behind, bro. You understand? And so when March 21st forward and the show sold out, una go realize, bro. You see me? Reality hit. Because more while remember, you know, have the Jamaican mentality and realize, brother, artists have fans out there, brother. We don't even know. We are listening music and say, yo, pull up. So me I try to say, so no can go and talk. Alkaline and meds on the dog. Me I tell you see a New Rules in a Barclays. Think of chattings?
Send it. Me tell you, say, if you put Popcaan in a Barclays, brethren, and Popcaan tickets goes up for sale, that done. You don't think a joke? Me tell you, no, dog. Me tell you, no. But Alkaline, ticket not sell all now, but every day above.
Oh, you know, in a sense, you know. Bro, most evidently, if Popcaan say, yo, Barclays right now, bro, it'll go sold out, brother. Maybe I'll leave a back-to-back, brother. Listen, brother, Popcaan never perform in the US yet. You don't realize? I don't think if Popcaan not perform in the US yet, brother. Seem like how Cartel never perform yet in a Canada, fam. And you see how him do him show them. A 3 show, him do a back-to-back and then down in the next week, him do a next one. Bro, you sick in the head, bro? Why not compare Alkaline where they all about the place already, but him still a solo out, him show them, with artists where just a perform and get access for going a certain country. When sick in on the head, bro. When really sick in on the head, brother. You see me, cause at the end of the day, everybody knows if Popcaan got US, it a go solo out, brother. Popcaan not perform in a USA hate dog. So yes, big. You know what US people are wait for see Popcaan people who rate dancehall music. You understand? It's sick in your brain, brother. You don't have no sense there. But people, when you don't know me the facts, you know. I know come for talk the facts. You see me, but big up on yourself, people. That is it.